Today I'm going to show you how to hard boil the perfect egg. There's a couple tips along the way to make sure that it peels perfectly every single time and is perfectly cooked all the way through. Let's get into it. Super easy. There's lots of different tips and tricks about this, but I have a couple little steps that I feel makes a huge difference. First, we're going to start by putting our eggs in the pot. I like to create a single layer. I've been on like a little bit of a hard-boiled egg kick, so I'm going to do a lot. Okay. And then we're just going to go fill this up with cold water. Just until it covers the eggs. And then my secret ingredient is distilled white vinegar. This will make it easy to peel. There's not like a specific amount, but like around a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons for this amount of water, which is probably about 3 cups. All right, so I just pour it in. It's not gonna make the eggs taste like vinegar. Anyways, so we've got our water, we've got our vinegar, we've got our eggs, and now we're just going to bring it to a boil. I know. All right, so I'm gonna put it on high heat. I'm just gonna let it come to a boil, and as soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna set a 10-minute timer. 10 minutes, no more. You see how it's like a nice boil? It's not like a ferocious boil, but it's like a really beautiful, consistent boil. All right, that's what you want. So set your timer for 10 minutes. I already did. And then we will, in the meantime, gather some ice. Okay, so we have like a minute or so left on our eggs. I've got a big bowl of ice here, no water yet. Usually the eggs will kind of melt a bit of the ice and create a nice water, like ice bath. So I've got something to transfer the eggs with, a slotted spoon, perforated spoon, whatever you have, just not your hand. And you know, that's really all you need. All right, so our eggs are done, and I'm just going to turn them off, and then I'm going to take them out gently. They will still break, but you know. So if they didn't melt the ice, I'm just going to pour a little bit of water in it. You really want them to kind of just be like encapsulated in the ice water so that they cool down quickly, and this will also make them easy to peel. So just kind of cover them up, and then we're going to let them cool, and then we'll peel them. It takes like 15-20 minutes. Now they're cold, and we'll just peel them. So the key here is, oof, God, they're cold. So I like to give a nice little tap, tap, tap around. And then you kind of just pull it off in sections. Yeah, I know. I wouldn't lie to you. I never lie to you. And, you know, kind of just work your way around. If you do have problems getting it started, you can always dip it in the water, which I find actually really helps because it kind of gets, the water gets between that, that skin, that little layer between the egg and the shell, which can help it peel easier too. It's just very cold. And now you know how to make a perfect hard-boiled egg. And that's it. That is how you make the perfect hard-boiled egg every single time. And it takes very little hands-on attention, or all you have to do is set a timer at the appropriate time. All right, so let's cut into it so I can show you what's up. You see that? It's like a perfect, just perfect yolk situation in there. Yep, perfectly cooked, no underdone bits. So this is great for deviled eggs or egg salad sandwiches or snacking, Cobb salads, you know, and that's how you hard boil an egg.